Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a TikTok video. So in order to delete a TikTok video, it's extremely easy, and in this video I'm going to simply run you through the steps on how to do it. So I'm going to show you how you can delete a video and also how you can private a video, and I'm going to explain what the difference is. So what you want to do to delete or private a video is you want to go and head over to your TikTok app, you want to go to profile, and then you simply click on any video you want to delete. And just like this, you have your video, and right here under the save button you have these three dots where you can click on, and then you will get a lot of options. So what you can do is scroll a little bit to the left with your finger, and then you will go to the right, and then you right here have privacy settings and you have delete. So if you click on privacy settings just like this, then you can change a lot of important things for your videos, and you can also change who can watch this video. So for example, if I set this from everyone to only me, then right now literally my video is gone from my profile and it's basically deleted. However, I can always just restate it back to my TikTok account without having to upload it back again by simply clicking on it, clicking on that three dots again, and then I can simply go to privacy settings again, and literally all I need to do right then is click on everyone, and then everyone will be able to watch this video. So if you private a video, you will still be able to watch it, but nobody else will be, so it's basically deleted. In order to actually delete a video, literally all you need to do is scroll all the way to the left, so you go to the right, and then here, right here at this little garbage icon, you can simply click on delete, and then you want to click on delete this video, and right now the video is gone, and it's gone from my profile, but also from my private section, and I will never be able to recover that video, and it will also immediately remove all the likes that I had on that video. So that's how you can delete a TikTok video. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.